Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're gonna look at the NOMAD Base One with MagSafe charger. The Base One comes in two colors. This is the silver and then this is the carbide. So taking a look at the packaging, you can see it's packaged very well here. You have the charger and then the USB-C cord, and it's a braided cord, and then the carbide, I already removed it from the case earlier, so this is how it looks. So briefly going over some specs, this features a high quality metal chassis with a premium glass panel, Apple MagSafe charger, anti-slip rubber base, nylon braided cord, up to 15 watts wireless charging speed, weighs in at 545 grams. It requires 20 watt USB power adapter, which is not included. It can charge iPhone 8 and later, as well as Qi wireless charging devices. MagSafe magnetic alignment feature works with iPhone 12 and later. It has a raised MagSafe charger to ensure compatibility with the iPhone cameras. So looking at the charger, you'll immediately notice there's definitely some good weight to it, and it just feels made of premium materials. As mentioned, this weighs in at 545 grams. It's got the metal chassis, and then you have the rubber base to prevent it from slipping on the counters or surfaces. And then you have a premium glass panel here. So you can see it's beautifully made. And then the charger is raised so your camera won't hit the base. And here's the carbide version. Again, just that metal base, very solid, and then you have the glass surface here, the braided cord, and the MagSafe charger on the top. Looking at the plug, this is a USB-C plug. It doesn't come with the power adapter, and it requires 20 watts. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it up, and then let's charge some devices. Okay, I have the Base One plugged in, and then here's an iPhone 15 Pro Max with a case. This has a MagSafe case, and let's see how it does here. Yeah, very strong magnet. You can see it align itself once you just lay it on top, and now it's charging. And then if you see, magnet's very strong. I'm flipping it upside down. It's not falling out. So here you can see the magnet just pull the phone. It's charging. You can even lift it up and then the Base One sticks on. Looking at the carbide version, same thing. Attaches very quick, strong magnet. You can see it charge. Lifting it up, you can see it picks up the Base One with no problems. Magnet is very strong. Put it on the side, flip it over. It's not coming off. As mentioned, this is compatible with other Qi wireless devices. So I have the AirPods Pro here. You can see it begins to charge. So that's a quick look at the Base One with MagSafe by NOMAD. Comes in two colors, carbide and silver, and it's just well built. You know, I've been a big fan of the NOMAD products. You're definitely gonna get quality, and you know, with the metal finish along with the glass panel, it just feels premium, and it complements the Apple products very well. So I've left the link in the description box below if you want to check it out.
If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.